Brooksaw Antiques here. Today I'm going to show you how to install a new ribbon on a Underwood No.5 antique typewriter. So I have this brand new ribbon with the plastic spools. It's a universal ribbon. These will fit pretty much any typewriter that doesn't have special spools, and even some of these will fit on. So you want to make sure that the black is on top, the red's on bottom, and this Underwood pulls from underneath. So on this specific spool, we're going to have the full side on the right pulling underneath to the left, and it pulls underneath on both sides. So you just want to make sure that both sides are underneath, black on top, red on bottom. And I'm just going to set these on top here like this for now, and then get a better view. So I'm going to do the left side first. And this just goes right on. There's a little piece in there. So it goes over that main pole there, and then a little tiny one goes into one of the little slots. Any one of these slots on that star. And it just sets on just like that. Now we're going to set the right side on just the same way. And then there's on the inside here, there's a pole that it goes around the front side and then goes through that little hook. So without tangling the ribbon, and you can use gloves. I don't use gloves, but a lot of people do, so they don't get ink on their hands. You're just going to put it around that pole and then through that. And you can use a screwdriver or something to help you just place that in there. So that side's done. So now the same concept on this side, we're gonna, and you can do it from underneath, but I just have a better view of the camera from the top. So I'm just gonna put it over that and then through the holder. I'm working with one hand, so please bear with me, because I have the camera here. Two hands now. So around that little pole. They don't give you much clearance on these Underwoods. These were very early when it came to the technology on typewriters. So it was actually way ahead of its time during this time. Okay, now that's through that. Those sides are through, black on top, red on bottom. Okay, so now, and this is with all typewriters, you're gonna wanna load it behind the ribbon first, because just with physics, the type bars need to hit the ink as close as possible to the platen. So it's always going to start behind this is the vibrator that goes up and down. And then we're just going to kind of fold this like this and then push it through. You get a better view here. Push it over that little clip like this. Nice and easy, and you can use a screwdriver. I usually use a screwdriver, just a lot easier to manipulate this. And now I'm going to manipulate that in like this, and then now we have the ribbon completely loaded. And now you can go to the side here, and since we're pulling it to that left side, we're going to push in this ratchet, and you can wind it couple times to make sure that the ink is on there nice and tight, and that's it.